All right, I've been getting a lot of comments about rolling dumbbell extensions. And for those of you that don't know, basically it's a hybrid between a dumbbell bench and a dumbbell extension. So there are two ways to do this. So when I saw this, it was through some like old westside barbell workout tapes, and they would do these on the floor, they would do these on the bench, but a lot of people would do them on the floor. I like them on the bench, I like them on the floor. It's all about preference, okay? So when it comes to this, you're gonna be using more weight than a typical extension, and it is less stressful on your elbows. So that's a good thing for both tricep growth and joint longevity and joint health. There's two ways to do this. You can just roll back into an extension, roll the weight onto the floor almost to the point where the dumbbell is perpendicular to the floor, or parallel to the floor, sorry. As the weights get heavier, the dumbbells will get bigger. So the stretch you can get with heavier weights is going to get less and less as the dumbbells get bigger. So you're gonna come down, roll back, and then roll forward, and then punch up. That's one way. That's more of like the pressing way, and you're definitely gonna be able to use more weight. And then there's a way where sometimes people call it a dumbbell roll back, where you have your arm straight, you roll back into an extension, still then roll down till the dumbbell's like parallel to the floor, and then when you come back up, it's like a press. So it's almost like an extension on the way down with the eccentric portion, and then a press on the way up. Both ways will give you great gains. It just depends on what you are trying to accomplish, whether you want to go heavy or light. But I promise both of these methods work for big, beefy triceps. 3 to 4 sets, 8 to 15 reps, and try to progress from there.